Aries. Aries symbol. Today's practical Venus-Saturn trine can produce a key conversation or interaction that empowers you, dear Aries. Advice circulating now can be helpful and valuable. There can be a happy focus on stability or faithfulness in love and friendship. Today's energies are on the serious side, but in the most pleasant of ways. For instance, you might take relationships or pleasure a little more seriously, and it's a great time to bring more order to these life departments. Shared joys can enhance an existing bond. Commitments made when Venus harmonizes with Saturn tend to be long-standing. As you focus on priorities, there can be advances in your social life or a close partnership. Showing affection through practical support is favored now. With the Sun now in your solar 6th house, the focus can be on improving your self-care habits, organization, and work commitments beyond today and in the month ahead. Taurus. Taurus symbol. A patient and conservative approach wins you the most points today, dear Taurus. Sticking to tried and true methods that are easy to fall back upon makes sense with current transits. Particularly in the first half of the day, it'll help you tap into the satisfying energy of a Venus-Saturn trine. Work matters tend to thrive, and you can be especially interested in tackling ambitious projects or working toward health goals. You can be pleased with the work, chores, duties, and assorted jobs you've handled. You derive pleasure from a job well done or a sense of accomplishment after handling essential details. Transits now help you get your priorities straight, and it's an enjoyable process. It's a great time to emphasize your reliable, responsible, and punctual side. You have a sharper sense of things, and people, of value. The Sun is now transiting an area of your solar chart that rules your individuality and creative expression. This is a show and tell house, and the weeks ahead are for expressing your talents, abilities, and affections. A stronger urge is with you now to create, show others what you can do, experience and enjoy romance, and enjoy life's many pleasures. Gemini. Gemini symbol. Today's Venus-Saturn trine is suitable for personal appeal and firming up a project, dear Gemini. This morning's energies subtly boost your appeal. It's not the time for bold or flashy moves. The focus might be on bringing a plan or idea down to earth. It's an excellent time for attention to detail with money, business, and creative projects. You gravitate to pastimes and pleasures that have something to teach you, or you put more effort into the practical side of your hobbies and relationships now. The confidence you have with your plans, creative endeavors, hobbies, or romantic pursuits is based on realism now, and it's constructive. With the Sun now in your solar 4th house as well, aim to soothe yourself with the familiar and step into your comfort zone. We all need to do this from time to time. The needs of family and the home environment may not necessarily increase, but you'll hear them loud and clear. Cancer. Cancer symbol. A Venus-Saturn trine encourages you to invest some energy and attention into your comfort, home, security, and safety today, dear Cancer. Maintaining or building something you love can be in focus and quite pleasurable. This influence favors and rewards moderation. You might connect with helpful people or information. Being humble, listening, and paying attention to tried and true methods have their benefits now. It's a time to see the beauty in wisdom and patience. You might consider purchases or acquisitions related to collections, investments, real estate, and antiques. Or, family and home matters run more smoothly. People appreciate your predictability and loyalty today, and you gravitate to situations that make you feel safe. While things are mostly tame and reasonable in the first half of the day, you seem to need some form of escape or break from the routine later. The sun is now in your communications sector, where it illuminates your mind and the connections you have and make to others. There can be a lot of comings and goings in your daily life in the weeks ahead. You might increase your contact and communication with others, and or throw yourself into learning exciting new things. Leo. Today's Venus-Saturn transit encourages a mature and level-headed approach to others, dear Leo. You're likely to feel stronger if you pace yourself and deal with others patiently and calmly. Or, you gravitate towards people who are mature and wise. Either way, reliability in others impresses you the most today. It's easier to overlook problems when you focus on a person's value in the long term. It's also a fine time to learn and share helpful information and ideas. Studies can thrive, and focusing on developing skills and gaining knowledge can be most enjoyable. For best results with current transits, a traditional approach seems the most successful. Conservative rather than bold moves are best, and practical intelligence dominates. With the sun now out of your sign, you're shifting gears, and your focus turns to what it is that makes you feel secure and comfortable. Money and possessions can assume more importance in your life in the coming weeks, and so can matters of comfort, sensual enjoyment, and activities that remind you of the simple pleasures in life. Virgo. A Venus-Saturn transit today encourages reasonable assessments and judgments, dear Virgo, mainly related to work, finances, and health. Whether shopping, working, or connecting, you seem to gravitate towards the right things and, more importantly, the right amount. You're more mindful of being moderate in whatever you're doing, which appears to be the key to success with current transits. You seek more security and make mostly conservative, studied choices right now. Fortunately, these things are currently in favor. Aim to focus your energies on problems you can resolve using a step-by-step approach. The day supports practical moves and not much show or drama, whether with worldly affairs or your emotional life and relationships. With the sun now in your sign, remind yourself that you have more power than usual to make resolutions and changes that genuinely improve your life. As more attention comes to you in the weeks ahead, you quite naturally want to get your act together. You are more readily attracting what you need into your life now. Libra. A relationship, role, or creative project can ground and stabilize you today, dear Libra. Venus, currently in your sign, harmonizes with Saturn in your creativity sector, putting you in great shape for taking care of business. Perhaps more importantly, this influence is excellent for realistic confidence and showing your reliable side. People value you for your common sense, wisdom, or support. You might gain some appreciation for your loyalty, reliability, and perseverance. A pleasant rapport with others on important issues is rewarding, and applying yourself to creative work might appeal. The day holds great promise for prioritizing tasks and focusing your energies. Still, the sun has just begun its transit of your privacy sector, and the need for rest and detox is strong. In the weeks ahead, you're gathering your strength for busier times but also reflecting upon recent events and shedding attitudes and situations that have run their natural course. Scorpio. With Venus in harmony with Saturn today, Dear Scorpio, it's a time for buckling down, catching up, and taking care of business. A cooperative agreement may emerge that's practical, although it possibly comes at a small price. Feeling content with what you have invites good judgment and patience, which in turn leads to success. Organizing or other work related to home and family can be comforting and enjoyable. In love or relationship, predictability and comfort seem more attractive than bold moves. Still, with the Sun now in your solar 11th house, your focus shifts to your social, humanitarian, or personal happiness goals. Friendships will come into sharper focus over the coming 4 weeks. Sagittarius. Shared activities can be incredibly productive today, dear Sagittarius. You can especially enjoy reading, learning, or studying, and the more constructive, the better. You can learn something of great value through your networking or studies with Venus and Saturn harmonizing today. People recognize your importance and reliability, and they appreciate you for these qualities. The motivation to work on your projects can overcome you right now, and it's most enjoyable. With this transit, you're in better shape if you focus on one particular thing rather than scatter your energies. The key to success today seems to be about tapping into your patience and paying attention to what will most benefit you down the road. A constructive conversation with a friend or associate can figure prominently. With the Sun now transiting your solar 10th house, you tend to assume more responsibilities. You can come to a high point of the year in your career or reputation in the weeks ahead. Capricorn. With today's Venus-Saturn trine, dear Capricorn, your sense of your priorities or business sense is strong. You have particular influence over others on professional levels, or people recognize and appreciate your talents. Relationships are productive, and agreements made now are reasonable and work out well. Good energy is with you for setting things right with money, and you tend to seek more order and clarity in your practical affairs. You're projecting your value in favorable ways to those in authority or associates, which can positively impact your income, if not now, perhaps down the road. Relations and exchanges feel genuine and supportive. People are cooperative, punctual, or coming through for you in a pinch. While the day is likely to be busy, it's expected to be a peaceful state of busyness. The Sun is now transiting your solar 9th house, and you want to lift yourself above your usual routines. You might do more studying, learning, and venturing or reaching out in the weeks ahead. Aquarius. Today's Venus-Saturn trine spotlights your responsible side, dear Aquarius, helping you shine. Today's good for showing your worth and integrity without having to go to lengths to prove yourself. It's also a good time for studies, companionship, and direction. Work and friendship benefit from more patience and acceptance. Focusing on positive, productive tasks helps you take advantage of the energies of the days. You're in excellent shape for collaboration but also inclined to do very well on your own, making self-directed activities completely worth your while. People appreciate your realism today. Keep in mind that it's a good time for learning from others and that you don't have to agree with advice to learn something from it. Generally speaking, life is becoming a little more serious for you, and you're more interested in digging deep than skimming the surface of things with the Sun now shining its light on your solar 8th house. Your intimate world assumes more importance in the weeks ahead. Pisces. Today's influences stabilize you, dear Pisces, encouraging you to take a structured approach to your emotional life. Your view of your relationships, yourself, and current situations is exceptionally realistic, aiding decision-making. Your judgment is excellent in the first half of the day. You're gently motivated, mainly to explore a topic more deeply or to get to know someone. Someone might demonstrate their trust in you or entrust you with a secret. A Venus-Saturn transit emphasizes quality over quantity in both the material and emotional worlds. With the Sun now in your partnership sector, it's a more sociable time of the year. This is a time when compromise and negotiation tend to serve you best.